What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to be restoring my 06 Acura R6 Toothpaste headlights. Now I should have done this way back when I first bought the car, but I was being lazy, I was slacking, and then my buddy of mine, Jasper, told me that, dude, bro, you should restore your headlights. It looks very yellow. So he told me that I should restore my headlights, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, finally. So yeah, as you guys can see here, you guys see the yellowness on the headlight, just like me. So that is same on the other side. So yeah, and clearly every time I post pic of my car on Instagram, you can clearly see the yellowness on the headlights. And so yeah, but other than that, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure to do that. Link in the description below, so make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. But other than that, let's get this headlight restoration started. Alright, so the first step I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. At the store and stuff, they got, you know, other brand like, you know, the 3D white or like the ultra white. Don't use that because apparently that can damage your headlights. So make sure to use the baking soda and peroxide whitening. So yeah, and pretty much after you're doing that, you guys can pretty much stop there, but I want to go extra. So today I'm going to be using a Meguiar heavy duty restoration kit as well. So after I restore my headlight with the baking soda and peroxide whitening, I'm going to be using the headlight restoration kit. So yeah, alright guys, so this is what they got inside of the restoration kit. Obviously the Makita gun doesn't come with it. You guys can use whatever gun you guys want to, but first thing first, got the sandpaper, and then the buffer, and then this, you know, Plast-X clear plastic cleaner and polisher to put on the buffer, and also comes with a little sponge to finish it up the headlight coating. So at the end, so yeah, that's what it comes in the side of the box. So that's pretty neat. And like I said, you guys can use whatever gun you guys got at home, but I'm gonna be using a Makita lithium ion 2.0 AH 18V. So that's what I'm gonna be using because that's what I got at home. So yeah, it works great. So yeah, gonna be using that. And also don't forget to use the masking tape to mask around the headlights so you don't damage the paint on your vehicle. But anyways guys, first I'm gonna be trying out the baking soda and peroxide whitening, and then, you know, if that doesn't work out, it should, be honest, but if that doesn't work out, then I'm gonna be using the heavy duty headlight restoration kit from Meguiars. So yeah, but other than that, let's mask tape around the headlights. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I have taped up around the headlights on both of them, so it is ready for the baking soda peroxide whitening. So let's do that. Let's get this started. So the first thing first, I'm gonna rub the toothpaste in the headlights. That's what I'm gonna do. Next up, I'm going to be using toothbrush to rub it in. So let's get that started. Alright, so that should be good. So we're going to clear the toothpaste off the headlight lens. Let's see if that actually did any difference or not. I mean, check this out guys, I already do see a difference. I don't see the yellowness anymore. Wow, that is crazy. With the toothpaste, how that works, that is insane. Alright, next step, I'm gonna sand it down, and then I'm gonna be using the red sandpaper, which is a little bit rougher, and then the cream color one is smoother a little bit more. So I'm gonna start off with the rougher one and then smooth it out with the smoother sandpaper. So and then move on to the lighter grit sandpaper and finish it off. Alright, so the next step, I'm going to be using the Meguiar Plast-X clear plastic cleaner and polisher. So I'm going to be using that with, using the polisher. I'm gonna put that on the polisher. Just like that. And then how I usually do it is just like stamp it on. Just like you waxing a car, if you've never done it, but. And then I'm gonna be doing like 3 rounds or so. So again, do the same process. I mean, as you guys can tell, the headlight's looking already nice and shiny and clean. So I'm still gonna do the 3rd coating. Clean it off. Wow, what a difference. Alright, but anyways guys, it's looking absolutely phenomenal. You guys can tell the difference now. Alright, so the last step, I'm going to be putting this Meguiar headlighting coating. So I'm going to put that on the sponge a little bit. Yeah, that should do it. Whoo, nice and shiny. Just like that, brand new headlight right there, boys. Let's take the masking tapes off. Oh my goodness, boys, that looks much better. But yeah, anyway guys, the headlights are looking much better, 1,000 times better. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. No more yellowness on the headlights. That is great. That is exactly what I wanted. Nice. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I let you guys go, the update on the new car. I actually almost bought a car last weekend, but it turned out to be, it was a Canadian car. You know, they had crap ton of undercoated, and then I didn't want to risk of, you know, having a, you know, rusted car. So I'm gonna be finding another different daily. So but if you guys have any other suggestion for like a really good daily car, please leave me in the comments below. I'm not looking for a really fast car. I'm just looking for a really good daily, you know, really reliable, good on gas and everything, all that. So if you guys have anything in your mind right now, please leave in the comments below. But anyways guys, after I get the daily, I am thinking getting a new wheels for my Jade. Also after I get my new wheels, thinking getting the spoon brake, front brake calipers. So yeah, all the goodies are coming soon. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I got some water inside of the tail lights, so I definitely want to replace my tail lights. I'm thinking either a Type R tail lights, but on Instagram I found out these really cool aftermarket tail lights that are LED. So I don't know if I either should go for, you know, Type R tail lights, or should I just send it for the LED. I really kind of like the LED looking tail lights, so I might go for the LED tail lights, who knows. But yeah, other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, if you're subscribed to my channel, you already know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.